bros? Welcome back to another video. I'm PewDiePie!
Kick him now.
Why do you have to be so
No, I'm just
cringy?
kidding.
No, I'm lagging. Every time I start a video, I start lagging. Well, I mean, I'm not laggy, but my FPS, like, it's really at 170, but it looks like it's at 10. Alright, you start edit,
Okay. This is officially Rainy Day versus Gannon's correct.
and I'm just sitting here in the back watching. I'm the crowd pretty much.
I'm lagging, dude. It's so hard. I'm only at 21 ping, but
I did not see anything. Mama! On like every single wall in the game.
Wait, what are we doing?
My
First to
goodness.
5 or what?
First to 5, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Here, take after me.
No.
Ah, no, wait, what? Dude,
Wait,
every time you get a kill, you
just
don't get in health? Respawn, dude. You don't get in health after you get a kill.
I have to fix that.
That's hacks. Okay.
I have to fix that. Just eat a slurp fish if you accidentally get pickaxe. No, wait here. No. Watch this. Yeah, put a pyramid so we can just
Dude,
do the.
edit. Okay, wait.
Stop! No. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you get edit.
Alright, I'll start. 3, 2, go. Dude,
What the crap? You just said 3, 2,
How
and you
is
said
it
1 go.
Oh my god,
possible?
dude, I'm lagging. It's not letting me do retakes.
Bro, you're okay. I put those grapplers in. Actually, you did fall. I
It's
just
not letting me
saw.
do retakes. Alright, there. There.
Me bad.
You have height right now.
A lot. I have big.
I'm just trying to crank up with retakes, and you still have height. I'm just gonna do normal 90s.
No, this is bad.
No, I fell!
Ganon just goes all. What?
We're pouring on this playlist, man.
Oh yeah, go to Rainy D's channel.
Mikey?
If you wanna see his
How play on fire?
What's happening?
Just drop up to your my spot, I guess.
Me?
No, I fell again. I've fallen like 3 times with me.
You're trash, kid.
What? Oh no, I fell all the way this time. Oh my gosh. I'll just grapple back over there. Dude, like
my Wi-Fi is crap, dude.
I'm just gonna crank 90s real quick. Oopsies, I'm bad.
That's the cone.
I did
I'm behind the cone again. Okay. I don't even know how that grapple went down.
That was so slow, mama. Dude, these are my 90s.
Where's Corain? I want to listen to Corain.
Sleeping on straight chlorine.
Corain.
Let the vampire
Speed is a
over.
chemical. The speed is a chemical. The speed
Oh wait, I
is a
think I
chemical.
reached max height.
Yeah, we both reached max height. Just jump. Dude, none of us hit a shot on each other.
Oh yeah, you did. I'm at 50 HP.
Oh, okay. Yeah, don't respawn,
Wait, I don't know why I said 50 HP. I meant to say 100.
Dude, don't meta up. That's kind of cheating.
I didn't.
I'm just saying.
How are your edits like that, man?
Wait, are you spectating?
Wait, he's spectating me. I'm gonna show up my edits, okay, mama?
Your edits are bad.
Just get rid of this.
Wait, Maddox, is there a way you
here.
can spectate me?
Here are my edits, bro.
I'm watching Danny.
Oh, okay. I think
It
it's
doesn't let me
I think
switch.
it's whoever dies or something. It switches. Dude.
Bro, that's not nice. I was on mouse and keyboard that whole entire time, by the way.
Keyboard and mouse. Dude, why all these builds not great?
Cause look,
Oh. There's no
which is what?
What?
Oh, I know why. I'm gonna go up there. No. Because there's a thingy up there, but I messed up on thingy because I'm an idiot. Like I accidentally loaded a save and it kind of messed everything up. Like the it messed up the shield per kill, and it messed up a lot of other stuff. It's up here.
Dude, you can't let up. You can't let up. Anytime we hit height, you can't let up.
No.
Oh wait, no, I have to freaking. No, I didn't pull out my glider. Idiot game. Game idiot. Game idiot.
Oh, okay.
Game idiot. There's something up all the way at the top, Gannon, that prevents us from knocking it down because I did thing because I thought thing would be thing, but thing was really not thing because the thingy.
No, it's impossible. You barely have any progression. You just want to do first to 3 because first to 5 is small. Unless you want to just. It'll
First
be a
to mama.
15-minute video, but I don't care.
Let's do first to mama.
We've only finished like 1 match. And my FPS is at like 10, even though it's really at like 100.
Cold
When I record it,
pocket.
it's go to like 10.
I think I found the problem, Gannon. No, 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 no. There's a butthole at the juicy. That's why. I think. No, 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 mama! How was that the problem? I fell all the way down. Let's just go to your world.
Like,
Well, seriously, dude? Seriously? We could have done that. No, wait, Maddox, leave. Maddox, go back to hub. We'll tell you when to return. Alright. So you can spectate. Wait, Danny, are you in yet? Danny's. Danny.
Wait, what? I'm at the hub.
Oh, go back to your island. Actually, no, let's just use my island.
That's what I just said.
Oh, that's what you said?
Like, my dance is cooler.
Whatever. Come here. Okay, yeah, let's just restart, dude. Not the video, but like, let's restart the
thing.
score.
Like
the
the yummy.
Restart the score.
The
Alright, Maddox,
jummies.
join my island. Maddox, join my island. So you can,
no, I'm not playing right now. I'm just sitting here.
I forgot.
I
to
go
let you
poop
spectate.
in the mama every day. Yeah, yeah,
You can use
yeah,
anyone you want.
yeah.
I'm just using a scar and
yeah, 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 yeah. I go poopy every day with the mamacita. Yeah.
be quiet. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Stop hacking.
Forrest, you're using a combat again, dude. I'm messing
I
up on
got
all my
hacked on?
edits, dude. I'm still at the lowest ground possible. What? Where even are you? How'd you laser me like that?
I hit you once, Mike. How'd your laser beam like that?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
I can't move. Woo! Come on.
No! Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what?
Toxic mama.
Comments, tell me if you could not see him because of my stupid lag. Are we keeping score or not keeping
Make
score?
excuses, Gannon. Man, no, I'm just kidding.
Are we keeping score or not keeping score?
Mama, I'm so bad, bro. What the? I can't
Do
edit.
the edit. Do the edit. Hey, dude, are we keeping score?
Yeah. It's
Alright,
1 to
so
2.
it's 1-1.
What the crap?
It's called a retake.
Bang.
My aim is terrible, dude.
No,
My aim
I
is
fell.
doo-doo. Dude, my FPS is at 10.
Come up. My
Hey, you can't do that. That's so unfair.
unfair. Stop hacking. Stop hacking.
I
Stop
wanna
hacking.
pickaxe you.
Stop hacking.
I want to pickaxe you.
No, you can pickaxe me. I'm literally one shot.
Wait,
Please
wait.
give
Oh, okay. I hit you once. I thought you were a little bit higher in health. So I went for a pickaxe. I was gonna go for a pickaxe.
Stop being so rude. You don't understand how rude that is. Like, I don't think you understand how rude that is. Like, you don't.
Do the edit.
Look how cool that. Ah!
Sorry. Let me kill you. Get full health.
Oh, mama!
I just stopped shooting right there. I just literally stopped shooting. Mama!
Wait, you want to hear my mongrel impression, Gannon?
Controller player!
No. Watch this.
Do you want to hear my Laughlin impression?
Laser!
Wait, do you want to hear me try to be
Stop.
Laughlin?
Stop. Watch this. This is my mongrel impression, okay? What's this? Here, watch this.
Hey guys, welcome back
What's
to
this?
Cypher PK here.
Liza! Oh. Wait.
Wait, can I do my
It's
Cypher
my
PK
mongrel.
impression?
Wait, let me show the viewers my mongrel. Liza!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Cypher PK here. There we go, Cypher PK. Done.
Dude.
Just kidding.
Okay, how about we just 1v1?
Will you just say about
It's 2-1. It's 2-1.
Do that one.
What's the score? What's the score? What's the
Wait,
score?
do you want me to make fun of Laughlin?
What's the score, dude?
I'm Laughlin. I'm the worst Fortnite streamer of all time. Leedle.
What's the score? Ah, I can't get up. Okay.
It's 1-1, right?
Wait, what? Okay.
Look what
1-1.
is good on you.
I mean, okay, whatever. But dude, wait, like, what number are we going to? Like 3, 4, 5, or what?
Stop hacking!
I'm so laggy. How am I even doing
Mama, I can't
this? Yo, Bob.
Stop phasing! Oh my god.
It's okay.
See, you should have uploaded the original video because I won. Trick shot. Watch this trick shot. Oh, I hit that! No, I hit that trick shot though. Let me
Get the kill.
No!
Dude, okay, just
I have
listen.
3 kills. I have 3 kills. I mean, I need 2 more.
I have 3 kills too. Hey, dude, let's actually not cheat this. Okay? First to 5. Oh,
Stop.
I'm not lagging anymore. Yes.
Stop cranking, bro.
Bruh. You're coning me now? Okay. I'm using visual sound effects. I forgot. Dude, I'm so laggy. I can't see a thing.
Mama, where you at, bro? What the?
Don't you dare. I'm
You
at
just
80
jumped?
feet. I'm at 80 feet.
I don't believe you, bro. You're
Oh
not.
my
You're lying. You're lying. I already know. You're like at 30 something. Mama, I hate you!
I was at 80 feet. Okay, wait. Comment.
That's not
I
fair.
said I
I
was
lagged. My mom was talking to me. That's not fair.
Whatever. I'm lagging. Your mom's talking to you. We all have
I didn't even shoot you.
Don't fear the Reaper.
I'm joking.
What is it? What even is Maddox doing? He's just like in his
Don't
own
fear the
world.
Reaper.
He's just saying, a reaper. Dude, don't shoot.
Don't fear the
Do you have the
Reaper.
Reaper? Do you have the Reaper?
You'll be able to fly. You'll be able to fly.
Okay, 3,
What
2,
the?
1, go.
Edit.
40,000 men and women every day.
Oh, wait,
It's
dude,
fear the
it's
Reaper.
3-2, right? It's I have 3, you have 2, right?
Whatever.
Hey Gannon, don't look at your email if it's from Grace and don't respond. She's a toxic person.
Respond and say
She's
Mamacita. Oh my, stop
No,
spamming.
don't, dude.
Respond
I'm
and
not
say Mamacita. Come on.
Dude, don't. Just trust me.
No, respond and say give me money.
Don't respond.
Respond and say give me money.
No.
I won, so I get the edit.
Say. We won't say. Harambe.
Just say give me money.
Just don't answer it.
Tell everyone to
give
go
me
sub to my
money.
YouTube channel. Ah.
Well, yeah, email her and say sub to my YouTube.
No!
Stop cheating, cheater. Stop cheating. Cheater in my game, mom.
You're cheating my game.
Stop cheating in my game.
Oh, dude, all I needed was that win and I won the 1v1. Alright, what's the score?
Wait,
3 to 4?
4-3.
Yeah,
Stop cheating. So it's 4-4, right? Yeah, no, it's what? Okay.
You know what?
Nicer.
3.
Okay, I'm gonna laser you. I'm gonna laser with you.
Hold on, I'm gonna
Apple
change my.
gun.
Hold on, wait, don't kill me.
I'm
right
not
now. I'm gonna
saying.
change my settings for this one. Alright. Now my screen looks so much uglier. I don't care.
We don't know.
Start the edit. Don't shoot, dude.
Stop! Why'd you kill me? Grace keeps spamming in the group chat. Tell him to respond.
No, I am not. I don't want her
Wait, here.
you know
No,
that-
I
messing
get
with you,
edit.
Ganon. Because
Guess not.
she's a horrible person, dude.
Stop cheating.
She-
Sorry,
no,
cheater. Cheater in my game. Cheater in my game. Cheater in my game. Cheater in my game. Cheater in my game.
I don't know.
Wait, does she know that you're playing with me?
No. I'm just saying we don't know. I don't. He did.
Tell her that he's busy. Tell her
We
say
don't
that he's...
know.
I'm so laggy. I can't crank.
We are in
So
again.
hard. I can't wait
And
till this video's over. I can actually play like a normal person.
again.
Where are you at?
Yes.
What the?
Hey!
Stop cheating. What? How are you hitting me for so much?
Wait, how much health are you at? Tell the truth.
We
You should add heals.
won't
This is
say.
How much health are you at?
like two. I'm at 2. I'm literally a one shot. No.
No.
I think
I was
actually
at
you have like 40 health.
Yeah.
I was at 21.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah. Now it's 4 to 4, right?
Okay.
No, dude, I won!
It's
5 to
It's
4.
4. It gives you more health. It
Computer.
gives you more content.
Alright, I'm gonna. Okay. Wait, dude!
No,
your
it's
build
4 to
is still
4.
away. Your build is still away. No. Okay, this is for
I'm gonna win, bro.
This is for the win. Guys, I already won, but this is for bonus. If I
Yeah.
win this, that means I'm like 10.
Stop hacking!
But if I lose. What?
You don't know.
Stop hacking. Freaking hacker, Ray. Hacker. Mama.
Dude, really? The score is 5 to 3 right now. So whatever you want.
Mama. I'm
I
at 5 to 4, idiot.
Whatever. Alright.
I win.
GG's. You can all tell that I'm better than him. But tell me who won this
we
1v1.
don't know. Don't
Yeah.
respond.
The guy with better hits or
Because
him? The guy with better aim because he's a control.
don't respond.
I have a better
person
skin.
Like Carol Baskin,
No,
okay?
I have like, I mean, my skin's decently good. Imagine if my FPS just goes away now. I'd be able to actually.
How come you only have like 6 skins, by the way?
What?
How come you only have like 5 skins?
I don't have 5 skins. Look at my other YouTube video when I changed my skin. I did decent.
Yeah,
amount.
but you
I
have
mean,
like
maybe
3.
You don't
30.
know.
Here, dude, this is the last one. This is the last one. This actually, dude, stop.
Mama, no, let me do it. I'm more health. I'm like at 20. Stop. Cheater, bro.
Fix that.
Scammer, get scammed. Here, wait. wait, get it.
Danny,
Here,
wait,
wait,
don't kill me,
wait,
don't kill
wait.
me. Dude,
Wait, Gannon, come here.
This
Come
one
here.
you wanted to see who's better.
No,
You were
no, Gannon. This will get you a lot of views. Now stand in here. Okay. No, wait. Get on that side. Oh wait, here. Wait, I gotta do one more thing. Wait. Okay, here. Now come up here. Okay.
Anyways,
No,
wait,
okay,
the
you're
one
in.
you went over, or we're gonna do another?
Wait, here. Stand on that side. Okay. And now here.
Two.
Okay, here. Oh, Gannon! Stop!
Stop.
Please.
But you have to promise not to shoot me.
I know. I'm trying to trade you, bro. Now stay in that box. I'm trying to trade you, okay?
Promise?
Okay, here. Yes, okay. Okay, here.
Nobody's
Okay,
gonna
so
email,
what?
by the way.
Wait,
Nobody's
wait. What are you gonna give me for this 130 Nocturno full durability?
Oh.
What do you mean?
Wait, give me all your. Wait, show me your whole entire inventory real quick. Show me your whole entire inventory real quick.
Hold in.
Show me
Yeah,
your whole entire
another
inventory.
gun.
Show me your whole. No.
Golden.
Okay. Show me your whole entire
Golden.
inventory. Take out your whole entire inventory. Here, okay. Scammer gets scammed! Scammer gets scammed! Haha! Scammer gets scammed!
Oh.
Scammer gets scammed! Ha 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 ha! Scammer gets scammed! Scammer! No! Scammer!
Hold hand. You don't understand. It's bigger.
Look at all my nocturnals. Look at all my nocturnals.
Thank God.
Stop!
Okay,
I'm gonna
Stop.
poop on the poopy tippy with you.
okay, wait, dude, let's just have one more build battle, and then we're in the video.
Wait,
It's already been 20 minutes.
only hunting rifles.
Oh yeah, only
not
hunting
good.
rifles. And grapplers, hunting rifles and grapplers.
Okay.
Like you wall that.
After this, we gotta end the video.
I go pee pee yeah. I go pee. I go
Wait,
pee
where's
pee yeah.
Alright, come on.
I go pee pee every night. Okay, let's 1v1 with only freaking this stuff.
Alright, 3,
Scammer gets scammed, bro.
1,
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you're ahead.
That was really bad. Yeah. Stop! Hacker! Am I
No.
right? Oh, stop trying to phase. That's like literally not fair. A phase clan member. Edit. No!
Oh my God,
How did I
dude,
miss?
so high. I can't see, dude. I can't see my screen.
No! You're both one shot. No! Stop! No pickaxing! Pickaxing
Okay, I'm
isn't allowed. Stop. Yeet!
That's cheating. I only had 1. That's cheating.
Andrew, I told you before. No! Okay. Again.
What?
First to 3. Okay. Are you still recording?
Dude, the still recording. It's just when you see this.
Your viewers hate you, bro.
Yeah, he's
Stupid.
Alright, I'm just gonna end the video.
No. Wait. Let's do one more.
I'll tell you in the description who won the 1v1 build battle.
Wait. Link my channel, okay?
Oh yeah.
So
I'll
Big
put the
Boss Man follows him.
If actually
Stop!
wins it.
Stop! Just stop!
Wait, you put the link in
Just
my
stop!
video.
Wait! I gotta do something with my inventory. Okay? I swear, if you shoot me, you're bot.
Should I do that? Hey, I wasn't ready, sir. I'm
I'm
so
getting out here,
laggy,
bro.
dude. Alright guys, dude, you can tell I already won.
okay.
I'm starting to lag hard. Alright, thanks for watching.
Gannon.
If you did enjoy, please
Wait,
like
Gannon.
and subscribe to the channel.
Wait, Gannon. Actually,
Bro fist.
I'm gonna use your email, cause oh wait, you want.